Hello everyone, there is a co-cutting session is going today in our site. End of this video you will able to have idea about the procedure of the co-cutting. So this is especially for the plumbing works, and 110 diameter pipes will be used for the gully lines and the WC, and 63 diameter pipes will be used for the wash basin. So we have already done the setting out for the bathrooms because there are no block works here. Sandwich panels will be covered for the every walls. So let's go for the video. Okay, first we want to arrange tools and equipments. Let's see what are the tools and equipments that we want. This is the co-cutting machine that we are going to use, and you want hammer drill machine, and you need drop anchors with 10 millimeter diameter, and some hand tools you need, and water for the cooling. This is a Cobit. We are going to use Cobits with two dimensions. 160 diameter Cobit used for the 110 diameter holes, and 110 diameter Cobit used for the 63 diameter pipes, because we want to allow space for the collars. Let's go for the co-cutting procedure. This is how we are changing Cobit. Here 110 diameter pipe replacing for 160 diameter pipe. Make sure to install the machine with exact dimensions. Now we are going to make temporary stand for the machine. Now you have to make holes for the drop anchors. These are the drop anchors. Now you have to put the drop anchors to the holes that you made. And you have to make sure the tide of the drop anchors is good, because here not drilling, and you can see this is giving some vibrations to fix the drop anchors, and you can see this drill bit is not rotating. It's giving some vibrations to fix the drop anchors, the connection with the concrete and the drop anchors. Now you can install the thread bar, 10 millimeter diameter thread bar as a temporary stand for the machine, and you can fix that with the washer and nut. This is after fixing the temporary stand for the machine. Okay, now you can fix the machine, because there can be happen some changes when you're drilling from core machine. Therefore please make sure that the machine is not moving when you are drilling. Okay, like this. you can fix the machine to the temporary stand that you have made. And this is the water connection to prevent the heat when it's rubbing. You can fill the water manually if the water level is reducing. Using spirit level, you can level the corbit. Make sure the corbit is leveled well, and then you can start the co-cutting. Let's go for the video. Actually, you don't want to worry about the reinforcement because those reinforcement will be cut with this concrete. So this is 125 millimeter thickness of concrete, so it will take 5 minutes for the total cut. Because this is a steel building, we have done the concrete on the decking sheet, so this is the completed one, and you can see the ground floor, no? Okay, let's go for down. Okay, you can see here. Now we are going to finish the co-cutting. You can see that the decking sheets also removed. Okay, let's go and see what happened to that particle. Okay, this is the particle, and you can see with the reinforcement, concrete and tile bed, decking sheet, this shape due to the corrugated decking sheet, you can see all the materials will be removed. And thank you for watching, and if you have any question related to this video, and please comment that, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We try to give you completed technical knowledge with our next videos. And thank you very much, and goodbye.